Hi there, welcome to my channel. I apologise it's been a while, but I'm back and I hope to be doing more arts and crafts tutorials. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make marbled paper using shaving cream and acrylic paints. It's a very easy project to do, even kids can do it, and the results can be really wonderful. It just takes a few simple steps for amazing results. I use heavy cardstock to create my designs on. Printer paper will wrinkle and tear, so it's important to use a good sturdy paper. For paints, I'm using acrylic fluid paints, and these are just some simple ones from the dollar store. I would also suggest using metallic paints too, which really create a beautiful result. To scrape, I'm using a long ruler which must cover the entire surface of the paper. I'm using regular shaving foam and a foil tray which is large enough to hold my paper size. This can get messy, so I'm using a Glad wrap sheet to protect my surface. You can use parchment paper or a plastic sheet too. I start by filling my tray with the shaving cream, enough to cover the paper surface that I'll be putting in. And using a spoon, I then evenly spread and smooth the surface as flat as possible. Using a spatula is probably best. Once smooth, I then randomly add dots and drips of paint over the surface. Around 4 to 6 colours is plenty. Adding a few metallic paints would also give a nice shimmery finish too. Then using a toothpick or the end of a paintbrush, I start to create swirls through the paint and the shaving foam. I'm creating random designs but gently working through the entire surface. It's best not to overwork this part, you want to see the design clearly. As you can see, the swirls and designs are coming through really nicely. The next step is to apply the cardstock. I start by pressing in one side of the cardstock and gently pressing in the rest, and hopefully this ensures there are minimal air pockets underneath. Once pressed, I then smooth across the entire surface to make sure the cardstock has contact with the paint surface. I let this sit for a couple of minutes and then peel the card away. I then lay this onto my plastic surface and rest this pattern up for a further minute or so before scraping. Then using a ruler, I want to scrape away any excess paint and shaving cream. By this time the pattern should have transferred to the card, and I'm removing any excess. As you can see, the design is revealed after scraping away the shaving cream and paint. I then use a cup to just scrape any excess from the ruler, and then I can clean it off and then start over and take off any extra shaving cream there is left. Once done, I just set this aside for about 20 minutes to dry up. So this is the tray right after the one I just did, and there's still paint here, so I can make another design out of this. So I just use a spoon and spread over the surface a little, or you can use a brush end, and I use cardstock and press it right into the surface again. I allow it to set and then I peel away the cardstock. Again, using the ruler, I scrape away the excess, and you're left with a more sort of softer and subtle design this time around instead of before. At this stage you can start over from scratch with new shaving cream and paints, but I'm going to totally mix this and reuse it and try another design concept with wood. And here I'm just going to transfer the same style and same idea and press my wood block into my shaving foam surface. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing by scraping away with a ruler. And as you can see, the designs transfer to wood really well too. I've added a bit of white to this so you can see this show as well. So once I've allowed these to dry for a few minutes, I then use a damp cloth to wipe off any excess. And it does take off some paint, but overall your design is there. And I do this with the cardstock too, and I go over the surface, just cleaning away any excess paint or shaving cream. And here's the finished result. You can create bolder looks by adding new paint every time, with softer swirls and designs by reusing the same mix. So you can tailor this to suit you. Here's a neat idea of creating your own gift tags using stamps and punches, and it makes your tag so much more original and unique. Here I embellished a simple brown bag with a laced doily and my marble tag, and this dressed up the bag really nice. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Please be sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. And please leave me a comment in the description box if you would like to see more arts and crafts videos. Thanks so much.